Okay. Oh my god. That took me forever to figure out how to fix this GoPro camera. First of all of the images were upside down, which at first I thought I was super tired and I was just holding it like when I was testing it, I thought I was like holding it upside down. I figured cuz I was like, why would they have an upside down image on there? And then second, I was like, okay, I just need to take my time. I had a good night's sleep last night. So I'm like, I was looking up things for a fog machine, and I'm like, forget about the fog machine. So then I'm like, read the directions, take your time. The problem is it said hit the set button a bunch of times. I was hitting it, and like nothing was happening. Which is weird because the only way that I was able to get the set button to come up was to hold two buttons down at the same time. It says nothing about that in the instructions. That's the weirdest thing. Like it just says hit the front button like 5 times and it'll come up. It wouldn't come up. So sometimes you can think that it's like, oh, I need to take my time read the instructions, but it's like, no, something's going on with the camera probably. And then, but then I did figure out a way. I finally got the set button to come on, and then I said. So there's all these adjustments. There's all these adjustments that I had to cycle through. And so I figured out how to flip the upside down screen and get that fixed. And then I was like, okay, that's progress. At least I got that. It was still frustrating because I'm like, come on, man, I just need the sucker to work. But there's this little voice inside my head that's like, relax. Like this is not the biggest deal if you can't get like your vision is still there. You know, it's still there. And then I took a gigantic shit, and that felt amazing. That felt amazing to just like I had this one shelf in there that I hadn't opened up in years. And I don't know why. I don't know. I think that was some of my OCD because like sometimes like when I was in there and I had a lot of anxiety, it was like it was like I wouldn't shut it because I knew how particular I was, so I just decided to leave it off limits. I'm like, "Oh, don't touch that. Don't touch that." All right, let's see if this works. I don't know how to shut it off. Guess you just shut it off.